Here's how I use OpenUSD layers and deltas in USD Composer. The Stage panel lists all the elements in my scene. Here's my Layers panel. If you use layers in Adobe Photoshop, then the idea of USD layers is easy to grasp. The content in a layer higher up the stack is prioritized over anything lower in the stack. Right-click the top layer and click Set Authoring Layer. Then click Create Sublayer button, name it, and save it as a separate USD on Nucleus Server. I drag this new sublayer further up the stack. Right-click it and set it as the authoring layer. Now, every change I make registers as a delta within this sublayer. A delta captures the edit data in your scene, like the position of this bottle, without affecting the source USD itself. If I make the root layer the authoring layer again, I can flip between layouts simply by hiding the sublayer containing the deltas. This non-destructive layering workflow is ideal for iterating scene assembly. It also avoids duplicating files every time you want to explore a new composition or layout.